The Genie Intellicode ACSCTG Type 1 remote uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. When the LED doesn't light up or the range decreases, it's time for a replacement. First, locate the battery compartment on the back of the remote. It usually requires sliding or prying it open. Use a small tool if needed. Then, carefully remove the old battery, noting which side faces up, the positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Close the compartment securely. Test the remote by pressing a button. The LED should light up. Now your remote should be back to working. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, double-check the battery polarity. Incorrect placement, with the positive side not facing up, is a common issue that prevents the remote from functioning. If the remote loses synchronization with the garage door opener, you may need to reprogram it. Press and hold the Learn button on your garage door opener until the indicator light turns on, then enter your desired code on the remote keypad. Be aware that extreme cold temperatures can significantly reduce battery life by up to 50%. Keep the remote in a warmer environment when possible to maintain efficiency. To keep your remote efficient, replace the battery every 1 to 2 years, even if it still works. Regular replacement prevents unexpected failures. Dispose of the old battery responsibly by recycling it properly. Check local recycling guidelines to reduce environmental impact. If you encounter major issues, consider that modern remotes offer Bluetooth compatibility and may be a better long-term solution with app control and advanced features.